The invention of the dental drill marks a pivotal moment in modern dentistry. It traces back to the 18th century with a rudimentary tool developed by French dentist Pierre Fauchard. Fauchard's drill used little more than a metal drill bit powered manually by hand. This invention drastically improved dental procedures, allowing for more precise work in treating cavities and other dental issues. As technology progressed, George Fellows Harrington introduced a mechanized dental drill in 1864, utilizing a clockwork mechanism, which greatly reduced pain and treatment times. These developments laid the foundation for today's advanced electric dental drills, transforming patient care and the practice of dentistry globally.